Buzz allows you to send messages to your teacher or any other graders in your course. To send messages, open the Communications tool from the main menu. Click on the filter icon in the toolbar to select your desired course that you want to see the communication. You can click the Send Email icon in the toolbar, choose your subject, put in a description, and then click Send. You can also view the communication from your dashboard and inside any course. Once you're in a course dashboard, you can open up the menu and see your student success tools here at the top.